Has it really been 2 months since I first made another video? My goodness. Crazy. Time flies, man. Time flies. What is going on, guys? It is 4K here back at you with another video. Unfortunately, I've been busy for 2 months, so I didn't really make long form videos. But today I'm going to be making one, and I got some fresh kicks to show you guys. It's the Black Cat 3s. They came out about last month, but I only got them now because of delays and GOAT and all that stuff. So basically, give you the rundown, and I'm going to do some on feet and make some shorts after this video has been published because I've been making a lot of shorts, but not long-term videos. So if you guys missed me, I'm back. Let's get to it. MGBL4K is back at it with another shoe vid. All right, guys, let's pop into it. All right, guys, here we go. Here are the Black Cats that came out last month. I'm unsure about the date, but I'll find out later. But yeah, it's basically your typical Jordan box. You got the Jumpman logo there, and they have this cool black cement elephant print over here. It's the signature for the Air Jordan 3 line. And then over here, you got the size. I always stay true to sizes in this, so if you're always in between, just stick to your size. These fit pretty good. And then here's a QR code. You know what's funny? I wanted to tell GOAT something, but they asked me for this QR code. I've been really buying off GOAT lately because they have flexible payment options, or you can buy it full price. So I kind of like that. So it gives me time to think of what I want to get and where I want to put my money as an investment for some shoes here and there. But other than that, it's pretty good. So let's get into the box. So red cover inside, love it. Here are the Air Jordan 3s. Now, I already laced them up, as you can see here. So they're pretty much good. I have not worn them yet, but here is the back. So you got the blacked out Jumpman here, and you got the black elephant print here, and then you got this patent leather here. These are my second pairs of patent leather because I have another pair of Air Jordan 1s, the bread patent breads. They came out a few years ago, but now this is making a comeback over here. So you got that, and then you got this nice nubuck suede over here. I would not advise wearing these out in the winter. It's slushy outside right now, so I can't wear them, but what are you gonna do? I'm ready for summer pretty much. Then on the inside, you got your Jumpman, if you can see that here. Typical. Now, I was researching online that behind this tab, it would say Black Cat. These don't have that. So if you guys had the OG pair from 2007, then you would see the imprint of Black Cat because Michael Jordan was known as the Black Cat back in his days. So technically, it's pretty good, but I'm not going to notice it too much. So it's just, I wanted the Black Cat 4s, but these are the next best things. Now, I hear that the Black Cat 4s are going to be coming out like at the end of this year. So those are for sure going to be on my list. But for now, these we're going to do. It's not really much to say about this shoe. It's basically an all black shoe, so it goes with everything. You can wear gray, white, red, blue. It's a blacked out shoe if you want to be low key. If you want to get your Bulls hat, you know, repping Michael Jordan and stuff, you guys can do it. Now the outsole is pretty basic, but you got the white imprint here to give it more of a standout feature. But let's be honest, who's gonna look at the bottom of your shoes? You're gonna be walking around. This is all gonna be filled with gunk and stuff. So essentially, that's pretty much on the shoe, but I really am liking the patent leather. It gives it a unique touch. Now, don't mind me, I like shoes with different materials. Like, also, you can notice on here is the laces. They're made of that elephant print too. I don't know if the light's gonna catch it, but if you guys look carefully, depending on the lighting, it changes tones of black, so that's pretty cool. And this is an etched on metallic Jumpman logo. Like I said, if I had the OG pairs from 2007, which I don't because they're old and they're expensive, so I might as well get the new ones, then you could tell the difference. But from what I'm seeing, these are the first retros in almost 15 years for these shoes. So I'm telling you right now, if you're gonna sit on these, don't get them now while they're cheap, because these are gonna go up, because they're not gonna retro these for another decade based on what I've been seeing here. So listen to me on this. These are gonna go up like the Black Cats. I'm telling you right now, if you come across this video early enough, capitalize on the opportunity, invest in them, double up, you know, keep one on ice, you know, do all the stuff you gotta do. But honestly, I'm gonna start wearing these in about March, April when it cleans up here, because it's winter. Like I said, there's no point in ruining these. I wouldn't want to ruin my shoes I just got. So I'll keep it in here and then just make some on feed about it. But yeah, I know I haven't been on recently about these shoes. I haven't been posting much about shoes lately because I've just been saving money and stuff and just been doing me. Again, I'm in school. But like, you know, I'm here. I'm always going to be a sneakerhead no matter how old I get. It's always going to be a part of me. So don't worry, guys. I'll always be here. But yeah, you know, it's just a lot of things to do. And plus editing the videos and stuff. I'm sure you guys know watching YouTube. It is what it is, right? At least I was able to clean my room, so I'm a bit more accepting of basically this being on camera. I'm trying to get a studio going on, but we're gonna wait for that. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about these. Do you guys like the Black Cats? Do you mess with them? Do you think they're bricks? What do you guys think? I know I'm on late to the party, but like, you know, I look at it, if as the saying goes, finishing last isn't always the bad, because you know you got them. As long as you got them, you got them. I got them just in time. These are, I think, 350 on GOAT right now, so grab them while you can right now, because these are gonna go up. I promise you, they're gonna go up. And if you don't believe me, then just watch the market, because if I know black cats, even all black shoes in general, especially Jordans, they're gonna go up a lot in value. And if you want proof, you guys know where to go. Go on GOAT, check the prices of the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. The last release was 2020, I think, but that was the first retro when these came out back in the 2000s. I'm not sure what year, but mid 2000s, the Black Cat 4s. So now we have the Black Cat 3s. I am looking that they're gonna release a Black Cat 5. I just call them Black Cats because they're all blacked out shoes. So excuse my naming. Maybe they're not called that, but I call them Black Cats. It's a sick name. We know Michael Jordan was the Black Cat, so let's just keep it real here. These are sick. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna I will be posting more frequently, hopefully. But again, I'm busy, so get subscribed. Join my Discord. It's gonna be in the description below. I still manage everything, even though I'm gone for a bit, but I'm still posting, so don't worry. You got a friend here with shoes. Anyways, guys, 4K is out. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.